If you're thinking of investing in crypto this year, don't just follow the hype. 2025 is shaping up to be a big year for the right coins, but it's all about choosing wisely. Here are 5 crypto coins that have real potential to grow your portfolio this year, even if you're new. 1. Ethereum, ETH. Let's start with a classic. Ethereum is still the #1 smart contract platform, powering DeFi, NFTs, and Web3 apps. And with major upgrades like Dencun reducing fees and increasing speed, it's stronger than ever. ETH is the foundation of most innovation in crypto, and it's positioned to thrive in the next bull cycle. 2. Solana, SOL. Solana went from underdog to powerhouse. With lightning-fast transactions and ultra-low fees, it's becoming the go-to chain for apps, games, and DeFi projects. Big brands like Visa and Shopify are already integrating Solana tech, and if you're bullish on the future of crypto utility, Sol should be on your radar. 3. Chainlink, Link. Chainlink solves one of crypto's biggest problems, bringing real-world data on-chain. From price feeds to weather data to cross-chain communication, Chainlink powers thousands of DeFi protocols behind the scenes. As adoption grows, so does Link's demand, and it's still considered undervalued by many analysts. 4. Render, RNDR. If you believe in AI, 3D graphics, and the metaverse, Render is a sleeper pick. It's a decentralized GPU rendering network used by creators, designers, and animators. Think of it like Airbnb for computer power. With AI growing fast, Render offers massive upside as demand for compute power explodes. 5. Bitcoin, BTC. Yep, we still need to mention it. Bitcoin is the most secure, widely recognized, and institutionally adopted crypto out there. It's digital gold, and in 2025, with ETF inflows and halving cycles, the upside is still very real. Even small Bitcoin holdings can stabilize a crypto portfolio and build long-term wealth. Final thoughts. Crypto isn't about chasing random coins or meme trends. It's about finding real projects with real use cases and long-term momentum. These 5 coins, ETH, SOL, Link, RNDR, and BTC, check all those boxes. Research them, set smart entry points, and always invest responsibly.